to Serve Home video. Today I'm going to show you how to spatchcock a chicken. Spatchcock basically means how to butterfly a chicken. Now, what I have here is about a 1.8 kg chicken, and you can either use a scissors or a knife to help you. Now, what you have to do is you need to have the breast side of the chicken facing downward, and this is the backbone of the chicken. So what we have to do is cut the backbone. Now I'm going to show you one side with using scissors. So cut it down, detach the backbone, cutting it through slowly. If you find it difficult, you could actually move the chicken around and continue from the other end. You have detached one part of the backbone from one side of the chicken. Now, I'm going to use a knife, showing you how to cut the chicken on the other end. Now, you need to have a very sharp knife in order to do this job because of the bone attaching the chicken. So crack it on. Very carefully. Now, we have detached the backbone away from the chicken. All you have to do now is turn the chicken over. Press it very lightly on either side, and you will hear a cracking sound. Okay, if it is not, you will have to cut it very lightly down the side. Okay, and try it again. There you go. Now, the chicken is now ready for grilling or putting marinade on. Thank you.